In a bid to raise awareness about antimicrobial resistance, Art for Health Naija hosted an event called Microbe Madness at the Center for Memories in Enugu State. While speaking on the objectives of the event, the convener of the event and founder of the Art for Health Naija, Chidera Rose Kamel Aneke, emphasized the need for proper use of antibiotics.
This week is Antimicrobial Resistance Awareness Week. It is marked worldwide to help raise awareness around this global issue, which is antimicrobial resistance. This is what happens when organisms like virus, bacteria, parasites are evolving in such a way that they no longer respond to the medicines that are used to treat them, which makes it a big issue for you and I. So these events that I am holding here today is aimed at creating awareness around antimicrobial resistance in a unique, fun way. So we are using art exhibitions, some games around microbes, and just things that will make people happy, like a fun background environment where they can take pictures and do things that make them happy while they are learning or picking one or two pieces of information. What we intend to do is continue to spread this nationally. So we're not leaving it at a certain state. So we've done it in Enugu this year. We would like to move to other states to make sure that this moves around the country. And we're also aiming at spreading this information digitally. So there are a lot of people here who are capturing these events. They're going to use the hashtag Microbe Madness. This means that it's going to reach millions of people in Nigeria.
Leslie Udo, a member of the Media EIS Fellowship Faculty, highlighted the significance of fostering global awareness.
Well, Microbe Madness is a blend of creativity, music, art to critically highlight a public health challenge, which is antimicrobial resistance. It's actually really good because we see a lot of young people here today to play their role in fighting antimicrobial resistance. And this week has specifically been dedicated to this cause. Yes, it's an awareness. And as you do know, everyone has a role to play in this, you and I, and this includes taking your medications as prescribed by a medical doctor, ensuring that there is no overuse, or abuse of medications, and ensuring that we take proper personal hygiene to ensure that spread of diseases are limited. So these are things that this particular event is going to highlight today. And it is more beautiful because it is a mix of art and creativity and joint.
In conversations with artists Enoch Mwakanko and Nneka Azomta Ozuko, they shared how impactful the event was, expressing their gratitude to the organizer for the initiative and for raising awareness about antimicrobial resistance.
So the art piece I presented today is more like it's an anthill seated on top of a mountain, and by the view from the anthill you could see landscapes of houses and all. So the anthill, because of its hardness, signifies the complexity of these microbes, such that it has become so resistant irrespective of the antibiotics and all the treatments given to it. So when you try to break an anthill, you will begin to see insects inside it. You begin to see, apart from the ants that is just inhabited inside. So it's more like telling us that beyond the physical nature of the microbes that we see, it also has more like other diseases it carries alongside with it.
Okay, well, I studied fine and applied arts, but I didn't actually specialize in painting. But generally, everyone in arts should know how to paint. So I specialize in textile. But recently, I started exploring digital arts. So the work I exhibited is on digital arts. So you will see patterns reflecting in the work. So, and what inspired me, when I saw the flyer, I had to think on what microbes, like how it affects our daily life. I'm overwhelmed, if I may say, because I least expect this. Just grand. It's inspiring. I like being part of it. I'm very glad that
On her part, Ejimadu Chika Josephine, a member of the Antimicrobial Resistance Club in schools, expressed her excitement and highlighted the importance of educating people on their proper use of medication for treatment.
I feel very excited because previously the narrative we have is previously we just have people in medical field advocating for antimicrobial resistance or the right use of antimicrobials, but now we have people from other faculties or like social sciences, the arts, and I feel very excited because this event basically puts in acts and visuals. Yes, I think it's a better way of communicating to people. I think people learn better when they have visuals and acts to illustrate antimicrobial resistance. AMR club is Antimicrobial Resistance Club, Enugu State University. So it was started this year by a team of four people. Yes. So basically it's an interfaculty club. It's not basically for just medical students. We have people in law, people in social sciences, and other faculties in the AMR club. So our objective is just to raise awareness and inform students and people about antimicrobial resistance and the risk associated with it.
The event featured several highlights, including drama, performances, games, and art exhibitions, face painting, and many more.